Now, rescue efforts are underway in the remote Tibetan slopes of Mount Everest, where a snowstorm has trapped nearly 1,000 people in campsite on the eastern side of the mountain. Hundreds of local villagers and rescue teams have been deployed to clear out snow, blocking access to the area, which sits at an altitude of more than 4,900 meters. According to local media, about 350 people have been rescued and have been guided to safety so far, while contact with the remaining 200-plus trekkers have been made. Eyewitness footage shows the snowy conditions. In one video, in fact, a line of hikers can be seen wading through snow in poor visibility. Now, heavy snowfall began on Friday evening and has intensified on the eastern slopes of Mount Everest in Tibet, which is an area popular with climbers and hikers due to its easy access by paved roads. October is peak season when skies are usually clear at the end of Indian monsoon, but ticket sales and entry to the entire scenic area were suspended from late Saturday, according to an official notice. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.